Ever wondered how AI can do research, not just recite facts, but systematically uncover answers to complex questions? Today, we're exploring ODR+, a breakthrough system that's redefining how AI approaches intricate queries. Let's unpack its innovations and why it's a game changer for AI research. Traditional AI research tools struggle with multi-step problems. Take a question like, what's the link between deforestation and climate change? Older systems like ODR would perform a basic web search, extract text, and summarize, like asking a friend to read a textbook without guidance. The result? Incomplete, fragmented answers, especially for questions requiring layered analysis. Here's the core issue. Conventional AI lacks structured reasoning. It doesn't decompose problems, refine searches, or validate findings. It's akin to solving a puzzle by randomly selecting pieces. Eventually, you might get an answer, but it's inefficient and riddled with errors. ODR Plus solves this by mimicking human research workflows. Let's dissect its three critical advancements. 1. Question decomposition. Instead of tackling a broad query head-on, ODR Plus breaks it into targeted sub-questions. For example, how does deforestation affect climate change? Becomes, what's the role of trees in carbon sequestration? And how do forest fires release greenhouse gases? 2. Iterative search. For each sub-question, ODR Plus conducts multiple rounds of searching, prioritizing credible sources and refining its approach, like a scientist cross-referencing peer-reviewed studies. 3. Structured synthesis. Finally, it synthesizes findings into a coherent, evidence-based response with confidence metrics. No more vague summaries, just clear, logically connected insights. Imagine asking, what's the best way to reduce plastic waste in oceans? ODR Plus first identifies key variables, plastic types, geographic hotspots, and solutions. It then iteratively searches for evidence, like microplastics in the Pacific Gyre or biodegradable polymer efficacy. By refining each step, it builds a comprehensive answer, not just a list of links. What sets ODR Plus apart is its adaptive reasoning. It doesn't guess, it evaluates evidence, identifies gaps, and even generates follow-up questions if needed. This iterative process ensures a logical chain of evidence, avoiding the shotgun approach of older systems. The impact. On the challenging BrowseComp small dataset, the original ODR failed entirely. ODR Plus, however, achieved a 10% success rate, a massive leap. Even more striking, it outperformed models like Claude-DR and Gemini-DR, which scored 0%. Why? Those systems produced verbose, unfocused answers, like novels instead of bullet points. ODR Plus delivers precision, clarity, and actionable insights. ODR Plus isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. By embedding structured reasoning into AI research, it's paving the way for systems that don't just answer questions, but understand them. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of AI research.